grass still sleeps beneath, waiting for another chance to live a well-deserved life. Until then, a detached observer of things waits in the silence of the cold and beloved grief. One day, my words may be all I have left to give you. Accept this as my deepest love and gratitude for your being part of me and me being part of you. Rest in knowing there is a force that lives quietly within each of us. Look for it, and when you find it, tell it I sent you. It knows me so well as a creature of the heart. Tell me your secrets, and I will tell you mine. But I will warn you, the deeper into the hole we go, the darker it will become. Can you meet me there? In this grief? In this darkness? Can you strip yourself down to your naked imperfections? I want to see them all, every last one of them. They will remind me of exactly who I am, and I know we cannot heal what we do not acknowledge. Bow deeply to this fact. Grief has been alive in me for so long. The feeling of heaviness around the ones that I've lost in my life, especially of late. I've had no time to grieve them until now that I've come to the end of what is. But it is not only the loss of the ones that have left me physically, it is also the grief of the living as I once knew them. Watching my daughter's childhood die, being swept away right before my very eyes. This has been a deep source of grief for me. I so much long for the times that she still calls me Daddy. But now I'm just Dad, like I wasn't anything else to her, or so it feels. I miss the soft whispers in my ear, all her tiny little secrets, hopes, desires, and dreams. All the things she wants to be when she grows up, and all the ways she will accomplish them. Now it's just the eyes roll, followed by expression of I can't be bothered, and whispered under her breath, followed with a deep sigh. People tell me that this is just growing up, and like death, well, this dies too. But still, it feels so deep and alive in me. Like every day is a small death. Her death, and that feels heavy. What will be left when she's flown from the nest? This is a question I hold so close to my heart every day. What will be here for me when she's really gone? For now, I wake up each day and I honor what is left of it as best as I can. This includes what has been and what is here in front of me now. Still. And on the days that I sometimes still feel like I'm stuck in that dark place with no windows and no doors, and no way in and no way out, I will let this moment of darkness unfurl itself. I will let it be here with me until I become light again. And then I will think of them all once more.